Hello, and welcome to Workday at Metro. In this video, we will learn how managers can access reports, add the Reports app to your menu, schedule reports, and view reports you have pulled previously. Managers have access to many reports in Workday. Your ability to pull a report is based on your permissions. If you are unable to pull a report that you need, it may be due to your security permissions, so please submit a ticket through the client portal. In addition, a custom report may be possible. Please submit a ticket through the client portal. I am logged in as Zachary Taylor, a manager at Metro, and first I'd like to access a report. On the Workday homepage, I'll navigate to the search bar. Type in the name of the report you are searching for in the search bar and click on the name of the report in the search results. If the report you are looking for does not appear in the short list of results, hit the Enter key on your keyboard. You will now see a full list of results with your search term. If you need to narrow down the results, click on the Tasks and Reports tab on the left side of the screen to display only the results that are a task or a report. Next, we will walk through how to add the Reports application to your menu so that you can quickly access the Reports dashboard in the future, which will make it easier to access reports you use often. Let's return to the Workday homepage and navigate to the menu in the upper left corner of the screen. When the menu opens, you will click on the Add Apps button at the bottom of the menu. A search bar will appear in the menu. We want to add the Reports app to our menu, so we will type in Reports and wait for a moment. A list of all apps containing the word Reports will appear. In addition to the Reports app, you may find the Outstanding Actions for My Direct Reports app to be useful. This app will tell you if any of your direct reports have tasks that are awaiting action and what those tasks are. To add the Reports app to our menu, we will click on the Add icon next to the reports. We will now return to our menu by clicking on Back to Menu in the upper right corner. Reports will now be at the top of the app list in our menu. Now that we have added the Reports app to our menu, let's take a look at the Reports dashboard. Let's click on the Reports app to open the Reports dashboard. View Available Reports and Tasks will display all of the reports available in Workday. However, seeing the report in this list does not mean that you have access to it. Schedule a report allows you to run a report on a regular cadence. We will take a deeper look at this in just a moment. View All My Reports allows you to access the data from any report you have run in the last 30 days. Let's take a deeper dive into how to schedule a report. After we click on the Schedule a Report button, the Options screen appears. In the Report field, we will enter the name of the report we want to pull. In this example, I want to pull the Position Controls report, often called a PCR. So I will type in Position Controls and then select my report from the search results. In the Run Frequency field, we select how often we want this report to be pulled automatically. Our options are Run Now, which pulls the report right now, Run Once in the Future, which will pull the report at the date and time of our choosing, Daily Recurrence, which will pull the report every day at the time of our choosing, Weekly Recurrence, which will pull the report on the day of the week we choose, Monthly Recurrence, which pulls the report on the day or days of the month that we choose, Dependent, which will pull the report when certain conditions are met, and Custom Recurrence, which will pull the report on the specific days we indicate. In this demonstration, let's say we want to run this report monthly, so we will click on Monthly Recurrence. Then we will click the OK button. For all scheduled reports, we first choose our report criteria. For the Position Control report, there are 3 possible filters. All of them are optional. The first filter is the original department description. Here, you can type in the name of a supervisory organization or use the prompt icon to view a list to choose from. To add multiple supervisory organizations, you can type in those names one at a time or choose them from the prompt list. If you want to run this report on all of your supervisory organizations, leave this field blank. The second filter is the new department code, which is identified by the position's supervisory organization, not its cost center. The third filter allows you to select the position status. If you want to see all positions in all statuses, leave all of the boxes unchecked. If you only want to see certain statuses, select the corresponding box or boxes. For this example, we will choose filled positions and open positions, which will only show us those positions and not positions with a status of closed or frozen. Once we have selected the report criteria, we need to schedule our report by clicking on the Schedule tab. Each recurrence you choose will give you different options for scheduling. In this instance, we've selected monthly. We first choose if this report should run every month or only on select months. In this example, we will choose every month. We then choose the recurrence type. The first option is to pull the report on a certain day or days of the month, such as the first or last day of the month. The second option is to pull on a certain day of the week, such as the first Monday or third Friday. In this example, we will choose the last day of the month. Next, we choose what time of day we want the report to run. In this example, we will choose a start time of 11 p.m. to allow time for all of the data to be entered before the report is pulled. The time zone field will default to Eastern Time. The catch-up behavior field defaults to run once. This will run a one-time report with all of the data up until today. You can select none if you do not want that catch-up report. In this example, we will leave the default. Our last task on the Schedule tab is to select the range of recurrence. The start date is the first date I want included in the schedule. The end date is the day I want the schedule to stop pulling. In this example, I will begin pulling the report next month, so I will select the first day of that month as my start date. I want to automatically pull this report through the end of next year, so I will choose December 31st of next year as my end date. The last step in scheduling a report is to determine what format you'd like to receive the data. To do this, click on the Output tab. Data can be returned in three formats: Excel, PDF, or CSV. Usually, you will choose Excel. You can choose how long you want the report to be available in Workday in the My Report Files section. The file that you download will remain available until you delete it. If no new data has been generated since the last time the report was pulled, you can choose to skip pulling the report by checking the Do Not Output an Empty Report box. If you want to pull a report, even if there have been no changes, leave the box unchecked. In this example, we want a record for every month, even if there are no updates to the report. Therefore, we will leave this box unchecked. Now we are ready to click OK. Congratulations, we have just scheduled our first report. Now, let's walk through finding the report after it runs. Once a report has been generated, you will receive a notification. First, click on the notification bell icon. Next, find the notification about your report. You will see the words Document Available, followed by the name of the report and the time it was created. When you click on the name of the report in the body of the notification, the file will download to your computer. On your computer, navigate to your Downloads folder. You will see the document in your list of downloaded files. From here, you can move the document to the folder where you want to store it long-term. Thank you for watching this demonstration of reports in Workday. For more support and information, visit My Metro and visit the support area of the Project eMerge page.